In this module, we will review the steps to download and install the Take Control Console app and demonstrate how to start an unattended session from the mobile app. Address customer tickets and requests using the Take Control Console mobile app. Download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and enter your Enable Take Control credentials. The default view displays the groups from devices in the web console and from the Technician console. To start an unattended session, tap a group. In this example, we will select a customer, which displays a list of the customer's devices. Select a device and tap Connect. Depending on the device configurations and security protocols in place, a login or session acceptance may be required. Once connected to the customer's device, there are multiple options available, similar to the Technician console. In this example, the chat feature and remote desktop are displayed.